Hello everyone, myself Vijay K. Patel. I am head of the department in electrical engineering, NG Patel Polytechnic, which is located at Isroli, Tajpur, Taluka Bardoli, district Surat. Today we are discussing about classification of electrical machines. There are various types of electrical machines which are used in the industry for the special or specific purpose. Before discussing in detail about electrical machines, there are other machines also like mechanical machines, hydraulic machines and pneumatic machines. They are also used in the industry. So pump, fan, blower, turbine, these are the examples of mechanical machines. In pump, fan, blower, there is an electrical motor which is used as a prime mover. Electrical machines, induction motors, alternator, transformer, DC motor, etc. There are other electrical machines are also which we will be discussing later. Hydraulic machines, they are operated by compressed oil or liquid. They are hydraulic press, hydraulic lift, excavator, hydraulic pack, etc. Pneumatic machines, they are operated by compressed air or gas. Pneumatic valve, pneumatic motors, pneumatic actuator, pneumatic brakes and sewing machines. So these are the various machines which are used in the industries. We are discussing about electrical machines, so let us specially discuss here only for electrical machines. So electrical machines are broadly classified as static machines and rotating machines. In static machines there is no rotating part. In rotating machines there is a rotating part. Static machines, we know that transformer is a static machine. There is no any rotating part. In rotating machines there is a rotor which is rotated. So they are classified in DC machines and AC machines. AC machines supplied by DC power. So they are also further classified in motor and generator, means DC motor and DC generator. They are further classified as self-excited and separately excited, and in self-excited there is a shunt, series and compound. So shunt generator and motor, series generator motor, compound generator motor. And compound machines, there is a long shunt and short shunt. So these are the various DC machines. In AC machines, which is supplied by AC power. So they are synchronous machine and asynchronous machine. Synchronous machine which is rotated at synchronous speed, and asynchronous machine which cannot rotated at a synchronous speed. Synchronous machines examples are synchronous motor and synchronous generator. Synchronous generator, which is known as alternator, which is used in the power plant to produce the electrical power. Reluctance motor and hysteresis motor are also known as synchronous motor. Asynchronous machines, which are further classified as induction generator and induction motor. Induction motor can never run at a synchronous speed, but if the speed is increased beyond the synchronous speed, then it is known as induction generator. Induction motor, there are two types, squirrel cage and slip ring. So this is the types of induction motor, squirrel cage and slip ring. So in squirrel cage induction motor, they are also available in 3-phase and single phase. Slip ring induction motor are also available in 3-phase and single phase. Squirrel cage motors, there is a aluminum or copper bars in the rotor. They are shorted by end rings on the both side. And in slip ring induction motor, there is a wound rotor, means there is a winding which are connected with the 3 slip rings on the shaft. Single phase squirrel type induction motor are further classified as split phase and shaded pole induction motor. Split phase induction motor, there is a resistance start, capacitor start and run, and induction start. These are the different types of split phase single phase induction motor. So here there is a picture which show the construction of the rotor. First is squirrel cage rotor and second one is the wound rotor. The stator is same in both type of induction motor. There are so many special machines are also available which are used in the industry. This is not in your syllabus, but let us just shown here the list of special machines. They are switched reluctance motor SRM, brushless DC motor BLDC, which is also widely used, stepper motor, step synchro motor, direct torque control motor, short form is DTC, permanent magnet DC motor PMDC, servo motor, linear motor, and permanent magnet axial flux motor PMAF. There are also so many other types of special machines are also used in the industry. So these are some list about the special machines. A static electrical machine which is known as transformer, which is generally used to step up or step down the voltage, or say to transfer the power from one circuit to another. There is no rotating part, so it is known as a static electrical machine. So transformer is further classified as dry type and wet type. Dry type means there is no any insulating oil is used. In wet type there is a oil is used in the main tank. So it is also known as oil immersed transformer. Single phase and three phase dry type and wet type transformers are available. So first picture shows that dry type transformer, there is a panel type or cabin type, there is no insulating oil is used. In the second picture we show that wet type or oil immersed transformer is there. There is a oil is used as an insulating material and also used for cooling media. It is circulated into the main tank, radiators and conservator tank. There are other transformers are also which are used for the special services. Power transformer and distribution transformer, they are used for the transferring of power from one circuit to another. Generally they are to step up or step down voltages. Distribution transformer are specially used for stepping down the voltages. Power transformer are used into the receiving substations. Earthing transformer, which is specially used for the earthing purpose. Phase shifting transformer PST, which is used to give the phase shifting between voltage and current. Isolation transformer, which is used to isolate between two circuits. Booster transformer used into the traction system to boost up the voltages. Furnace transformer used for specially furnaces. Converter transformer. So these are the list of the different types of the transformer. They are classified as their services and uses. So I hope that you are understand the different classification of the electrical machines. Thank you.